Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this it is a fantastic gaming desk. I'm going to talk about everything. I'm going to talk about the assemble. I'm going to show it to you in a close-up in a few seconds, just showing every feature of this fantastic gaming desk. But first, I want to tell you something. Don't make the same mistake that I did and assemble this desk where you're supposed to use it, because this is not my gaming room. This is my dining area. I was just assembling everything here, and then this thing is so big, this thing is so massive and has so many good features that it won't fit on my door. So now I have to disassemble everything and just put it inside of my gaming room, my office, and then show it to you. But I wanted to do it first because here it has a more clean side, more clean kind of like point of view, so you can see better and you can see everything on a close-up as well. Let's talk about the measurement first. This is a massive desk. This is a 55 inches long by 55 inches tall by almost 19 inches deep on this surface over here for your mouse, your keyboard, some decorations and everything. But then I'm going to show this feature over here and everything it has. But one thing that I want to talk about is the assemble process. I don't think, let me show you, that I've seen such a detailed instruction manual over here with all the step, one by one, step by step, with all the pieces, all the colors, all the numbers, and everything that you need to do in order to get this product assembled, which, by the way, it's gonna take you about 60 minutes. Just spare 60 minutes with power tools just to get everything in place, and you're not gonna have any issues. Just remember, do it in the place that you're gonna use this desk. So let's talk about one of the first thing that kind of like surprised me. This stopper over here. It has a stopper. I don't think I've seen this one before. You know, when you're going in with your chair, things like that. This is a stopper that's going to keep you from hitting the desk. It's going to keep you away from hitting anything that you have over here, your mouse, your keyboard, your cables, whatever, and just going to stop you kind of like right away. The other thing that this one is going to do is, like, let's say that you're with me. Oh, okay, that was pretty far. That you're like me and have like a really good chair with wheels. This one is for you to grab it and do this. So again, this kind of like gaming desk has so many good features, and this was the first of them. Carbon fiber. We gamers, we love carbon fiber, and this surface is perfect for just having your keyboard without anything and your mouse without anything. You don't need a mouse pad for this one. You can do it, of course, but you're not going to need a mouse pad for this one because it rolls perfectly. So that is a good thing. And of course, carbon fiber looks fantastic in every gaming surface. Let's talk about the metal frame over here and the metal legs. These are heavy duty frame and heavy duty legs with those suction caps. That's going to allow you two things: to move it freely in a wooden floor or something that is not carpet. And of course, it's not going to damage your floor. So that's another good thing. And of course, you have the metal frame on the sides as well. That is going to give it a solid look and solid frame that's not going to move easily. So that is a really, really good thing. A few other things that got me surprised. You have this gigantic place over here to, number one, route the cables. You have holes in here to route the cables, and also you have some really nice storage over here. But if you're talking about storage, for example, you can just put your glasses over there, you can put your mouse, you can put whatever you want over here, but also have this storage over here, which I think it is fantastic. It is really good to have that kind of storage, which of course also carbon fiber accents, that has this really nice, take a look at it, this soft close over here. So this could be a surface for like action figures or whatever you want to put in here for like the speakers, if you're not going to use it as a storage. If you use it as storage, you have this over here. So it's going to be something that you will have to remove if you use it as a surface. More storage, the pegboard. You have this gigantic pegboard over here that you can use for putting cables. You can put your like Nintendo Switch over here. You can put your gaming controllers. You can put many things. It has hooks, and it also has holders that I hold right here on the storage down on here. But this pegboard is really good just to use it as everything you need for storage. But now let's talk about the other two things that I love. So number one, power outlet. You have two AC outlets and one USB-A and one USB-C. And everything is routed to the power cable, which is connected to the wall right now. And talking about power cable and power outlets, you have this fully, you're going to see this, this fully 360. You're not gonna do 360, of course, because there is the wall, but in that case, the fully 180 degrees monitor stand, monitor arm that you can do for big monitors. For example, what I would do with this one, you can see that keeps rotating. What I would do with this one is put it just like this. Take a look at this. I put it like this way and have, for example, a 45-inch curved monitor. You can have that. 32-inch monitor, curved 32-inch monitor. You can have that, and you can still have that all storage over here with the pegboard. But yeah, the cherry on top. Let me show you this. I'm gonna turn off the lights. Yeah, you not only have RGB and the monitor stand, as you can see over there, and you have many modes, but also this over here, this remote controller is going to give you this. This is just fantastic. You have either many colors that you have on RGB light string that is behind the pegboard, so you're not going to see it, and you can just change the modes, you can change the brightness, you can change the colors, you can kind of like do a demo, which is going to be kind of like a demo of all the colors. You can do a rainbow, you can just put it in one single color. This to me is just amazing. Everything that this desk is offering you, it is fantastic. So one more time, this 55 inches desk with carbon fiber features, with an easy assembly, with a stopper and a grabber, with storage, with an RGB monitor stand, a pegboard, a solid frame, and also many storage and a power outlet. It is the dream of every gamer. I love it. I do like it. I'm going to give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you soon.